Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm going to cover the real long-term wave counts of SPX500. When I say long-term, I mean almost a century long. So as you can see in this chart, this green arrow defines the start of uh, wave counts which I have taken. I could have taken from here, but this whole price action was kind of very inconsistent, so I chose to ignore and I have taken it from here. So here in this chart, you can see this is a long-term wave. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We are in later stages or last stages of this long-term uh, five move five wave move. And in this video I'm also going to present a case on why I think SPX500 may not really go beyond 6285 in this cycle. And from there, that point, or even before that point, we might see that SPX rolling over on the downside. So let's get started. So as I was saying that these are the long-term, very long-term wave counts. So I'm not going to go into the details of it. So only thing which you might be wondering is this wave one might be looking like a three wave to you. So I had the same impression, but when I looked into smaller time frame, I could see that I could count like one, two. Here you can see these two red bars, and then 3, 4, and 5, and 3 is not the shortest. So this is essentially a valid um, impulse. So Um, but the wave which we are really interested is in, that is the last wave, the fourth here to fifth, this one. So for this, I am going to go to weekly time frame, and from in this weekly time frame, you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4. The four was excuse me, fifth here. This was essentially wave one of five. Then we had a large correction here in a expanding triangle shape. This is wave 2, then wave 3, this is wave 4, and now we are in wave 5 of long term wave 5. And within that also, we you can see this is 1 2, this whole thing is 3, then 4, and we are in fifth of fifth of fifth. So basically we are in the very very last stages of this whole move. So now let me go to daily, in which we can actually focus on the very last wave, which is the fifth of fifth of fifth. So within that wave, we can see one is done, two is done in ABC, three is done, four is a triangle which is currently ongoing, and fifth is the only up move that is remaining. Once this fifth is done, then this fifth will be done of larger degree, and even this fifth, everything is kind of ending here basically. So there are some degree of waves which are all ending at this point of time. So going back to daily, you can see this is 1, 2, 3, 4 going on, and then fifth is pending. Once fifth is done, then we can say that this whole cycle is probably complete. Now, why I think 6285 is what we may get, not more than that, is because within this fifth wave, five wave advance, one is the largest, and this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this wave 3 is smaller than wave 1. And given the fact that wave 3 cannot be shortest, so wave 5, this one, is going to be either shorter or at most equal to this one, equal to this wave 3. So if I take this is a maximum possibility, and assuming that this wave 4 is low has been made basically in this low. So if I go with that, then you can see this gives us a maximum target of 6284.91, 6285 roughly. So that makes me think that this move, actually this fifth last leg on the upside, cannot or should not go beyond this. And once it does that, then once this fifth is over, we should roll over on the downside. So that's my reasoning why SPX should not see beyond 6285 anytime soon. And though there will be a last up move which is pending, so we might still see a bounce on the upside, which might come after maybe today's Fed's FOMC meeting. Maybe they will cut interest rate, and depending on how it goes, we might see some kind of reaction, and then we should be pretty soon ready to roll over. So that's all for this video, and let's see how this plays out. And depending on how it evolves, I would be open to changing these wave counts, but so far I feel that these wave counts look pretty good to me, solid to me. But you can never know, these 5 could actually become 9. But again, this kind of looks like even though this is not really a leading, because wave 1 and 4 have not yet overlapped, but this gives as this whole thing gives a basically ending kind of shape, maybe in the larger degree wave 5. This one, this is 1 2 3 4 5. So you can see like this is could be a wedgish kind of shape, but yeah, I mean, looks like these counts should hold. If not, we'll change them, but as per these counts, I think we are pretty close to completing this upside or this up move, and pretty soon we should be rolling over. So that's all. Thank you very much.